Excuse me? Hi. I'm a street photographer. You look stunning. Do you mind if I take some photo for you? Together? Together?
No together.
Wow. Thank you so much.
谢谢。Can you show me your?
你可以说中文的是吗
I don't speak Chinese.
Okay. I show you. Oh, that's lovely. Can I put a video and the photos I just recorded on my
Yeah.
Thank you. What's your name?
Dasha.
Dasha. My name is 胡志伟。胡志伟。
你好。
你好 ，Thank you。你们是一起过来旅游的吗？
我们是经纪公司的。
好的。谢谢你们，感谢，再见。